Hey guys, welcome back to the channel RP Let's Explore. So guys, in today's video session, I'm gonna share my interview experience with you. Recently, I have gone through almost 14 interviews and finally I got selected as a senior software engineer. So in today's video session, I just sharing few tips and what preparation you have to do and few question set which I have been prepared during this interview process. So guys, let's start. So tip number one, you have to update your Naukri profile on the daily basis. It's really important because you will get lots of calls from the Naukri profile. So keep update it. Next tip is research the latest update for the UiPath. This is most favorite question of the interviewer. They definitely ask this question. What is the recent update in the UiPath and which version currently you are working on, and what is the difference between the latest version and previous version. These kind of questions they definitely ask. So just go through whenever you want go through the interview process. The next tip is make connection in the LinkedIn with the RPA people. On LinkedIn you will find lots of people who already in the RPA field. So just make connection with them. This will definitely help you to get calls or get any get any challenging thing that you are facing. They will definitely help you. The next thing is practice some use cases in the UiPath Studio. On Google there is one website where you will find some use cases. So just I'm in the description box, I'm giving the website. You just go through that website, uh, take this scenario and you just practice on your UiPath Studio. This definitely help to you. The next thing is automate a small project. In any organization you currently working on, you will find few scenario where you have to do the manual things, like you have to, let's say for example, you have to do some data entry job, or you have to copy some data from one Excel to another Excel, or we can say you have to fetch few data from the website. So you just try these things to automate in the UiPath Studio. That help you to build your logical skills. So this I practice this from the long time. So definitely it will help you. The next thing is do certification and publish it on the LinkedIn. So whenever you are doing any certification, you have to publish on your LinkedIn profile. That definitely help you, because most of the recruiter gone through your LinkedIn profile and they check that what are your whether you are suitable or not for the profile. In the description box I provide one link which is for the UiPath Academy. They provide lots of free certification courses, and also it includes the few practice scenario as well. You just go through that website and you will find lots of certification. Do it and publish on the LinkedIn profile. So the next thing is you have to spend daily at least 1 to 2 hours on your project. That will help you to keep consistency during through the project and your knowledge as well. So guys, the last tip is your hard work is very important. Hard work, continuity, and the dedication towards your goal. This is very important. So guys, these are the question set which I have been prepared. The basic questions mostly used in the first round, and the scenario based question mostly used in the second or third round. So I'll provide the link of this question bank. You just go through that link and you will get this question bank. So I hope guys this video will definitely help for you to get your goal. So guys, thank you so much.